My name is Cline. A perfect day for me is one where I'm traveling. I had a vacation planned to Greece, but my belly kept growing. And it turned out that I really had multiple hernias. It wasn't getting any smaller. It looked like it was getting bigger. I wasn't feeling good about my appearance. I went to HCA Florida Largo Hospital.
And Steve came to me and he had some challenges with prior surgeries and came to me and the biggest thing for him was he felt very self-conscious about the size of his hernia and the appearance, but it also limited him what he was able to do. So a lot of the conversation that I had with Steve was kind of centered around what can we do to put him in the best position possible to give him a good outcome.
He suggested losing 30 pounds, which I did.
Anytime we're talking about a recurrence of a hernia, meaning a repair was performed and the hernia ended up coming back, and a lot of times those types of hernias tend to grow to a size where not all surgeons are comfortable with managing that. One of the things that is unique to my practice is I'm able to even do that with a robotic platform.
The morning Steve came in to our hospital, I got him ready. I'm very glad that I made an impact on Steve that day and he remembers me. I'm glad that he felt calmness and he remembers us being positive.
When we use the robot to fix these size hernias, we end up using 6 small incisions. I'm finding patients are staying in the hospital for anywhere from 5 to 7 days after the open approach, whereas when I do them with the robot, they're going home sometimes even same day, if not most of the time the next day after. So it's a really drastic difference in approach.
Everything was so easy, and I'm very happy of continuing travel. In late August, I'll go for another 2 weeks back to Alaska. I can't thank him enough.
Hearing stories like Steve, the other side of it, because we don't hear that, it's really nice to hear that everything turned out well for Steve and he can move forward in his life and go travel. That's amazing.
To see people be able to get back to what it is they love, it brings me the greatest joy in my life.
Everything they did, it totally exceeded expectations. Thank you, HCA Florida Largo Hospital.